Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video I'm going to guide you through how to redeem your codes in Delta Force. If you want to redeem Delta Force code, first of all, you'll need to navigate to the official Delta Force Redemption Center. First of all, launch open a web browser on your device that you are using. Now go to the URL box at the top and type in Delta Force Redeem Code. From the search results, look for the Delta Force Redemption Center website and click on it. Now on the next page, you'll be asked to redeem your code via user ID or via login. If you want to use via login option, tap on Redeem via login and click on Login and Redeem Now and enter your login credentials. Alternatively, if you want to redeem via user ID, tap on Redeem via user ID at the top and type down your Delta Forces user ID or your CDK redemption code. After typing down your user ID and your redemption code, click on Redeem, and if your code is available, you'll be able to redeem the code successfully. You'll also see a confirmation message if successful, and the redeemed reward are usually sent to your in-game mailbox or item inventory. Make sure that the code is not expired and make sure to type it down correctly. So that's how you can easily redeem codes in Delta Force. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.